What size carport can you build without a permit? In many areas, you can build a carport without a permit if it stays under a certain size, often between 120 and 200 square feet. This usually translates to roughly a 10 by 12 or 12 by 16 foot structure. However, the exact size depends heavily on your local building codes. Some places allow slightly larger structures, but it's crucial to check your city or county rules before starting. This helps you avoid costly fines or having to tear down your new carport. Beyond size, height, and placement are key factors. Even if your carport is small, many jurisdictions require it to be under a certain height, often around 10 feet. You also usually need to keep it a minimum distance from property lines or streets, commonly 3 to 5 feet. These setbacks ensure your carport doesn't block neighbors' views or violate safety rules. Ignoring these can lead to enforcement actions, even if the size is within permit-free limits. Local codes sometimes restrict what materials you can use for a permit-free carport. For example, temporary or lightweight materials like fabric or metal frames might be allowed without permits, while permanent wood or concrete structures aren't. Also, the intended use matters. A simple vehicle cover is usually okay, but if you plan on enclosing the space or using it for other activities, you might need a permit regardless of size. Building permits exist for good reasons. When you get a permit, your carport plans get reviewed to meet safety standards, including structural strength and electrical codes if applicable. This protects you and your property from accidents or damage. Plus, having permits can be important if you sell your home later. Unpermitted structures might cause legal headaches or reduce your property value. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.